In this video, you'll learn how to run Ninjatrader for the first time, configure market data connection, and connect to live market data. We'll discuss connecting to multiple accounts, as well as connection status. If you've just installed Ninjatrader, you'll be prompted for account information the first time you run Ninjatrader. I have a fresh installation of Ninjatrader 8 on my computer, and I'm going to double-click on the Ninjatrader 8 desktop icon to start Ninjatrader. You may see two desktop icons on your computer. If so, the 64-bit option is optimized for your computer's CPU architecture, but you can select either icon. When Ninjatrader fully loads, you'll have the opportunity to create an account connection. You'll need the connection credentials you were emailed if you requested a data demo. Simply copy and paste these values from the email to the Get Connected window. Then click Connect. Once connected, a default workspace will load, including charts, order entry, and market analysis windows. If you've already run Ninjatrader for the first time, but you need to add a new account connection, you can do so by accessing the Connections menu of the Control Center. Click the Configure option from the bottom right corner of this menu to configure a new account connection. You'll need to select the account provider from the available list on the top left, then click the Add option below to configure a new account. On the right side, you'll configure the account connection's properties, such as the username and password, and give it a name you can easily identify later. Click OK once you've added all the appropriate account information. Next, you'll want to make sure the account connection is functioning properly. To do this, you can connect to the account from the Connections menu. Simply click on the name of the account you just configured. Now take a look at the connection status shown in the bottom left corner of the Control Center. The color of this connection indicator represents your data connection status. Here's a quick guide to the various connection states and their associated colors in the Control Center. Green means you've successfully connected to your account. Yellow means Ninjatrader is attempting to connect. You'll usually see this just for a moment before the indicator turns green. However, in the event a connection is lost, you'll see a red or orange indicator. The orange indicator means Ninjatrader lost connection to the price server, and a red indicator means Ninjatrader lost connection to the order server. A transparent indicator will mean you have completely disconnected. This is likely what you see the first time you start Ninjatrader. It's also possible to connect to multiple accounts at once. Simply select the secondary connection from the Connections menu. You can see the status of each individual connection if you hover your cursor over the connection indicator in the Control Center. To disconnect from an account connection, you'll choose the Disconnect option next to the account you wish to disconnect from the Connections menu. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more of our videos for quick tips to help you get started with Ninjatrader.